Today, hello video. We're gonna be making how to make your own poster using pastels, using the pastels and a permanent marker. So I'll show you. So you need the pastels and a permanent marker and your paper. So all you have to do is first write a letter you want.
Jaden, you're not playing?
No.
Trinity, are you playing? Alright, Hen, your turn.
D? Yeah. My favorite. I got dropped off.
Ainsley?
I go next. Bro, no.
Can we just skip it?
How to make we make a custom poster, a funny poster
Is it Lord?
for pranks.
I know.
Hey,
Is it
Layla?
Yes, sir.
I told you.
Going in
The card, right?
2022.
It's a word.
So
No, it doesn't need to be.
draw a picture,
Yeah, it is a person.
a flag,
For real, what's he said? It's the person that makes
circle,
I got crap on mine.
put lines. So put them.
Ford is an American car.
Let's start with the green
It's the
one.
first motor company in America.
It's gonna do Fortnite.
No, she's not doing Fortnite. That'd be too easy for you.
6.
6.
Alright, now
Elijah.
we'll start with Ainsley. Ainsley, give us a letter.
E.
A.
And then pick another color to your flag.
What?
And
Sarah.
Hold on a minute.
with a here.
This is not.
And pick another color for your flag.
Yo.
There's no blue ones. There's no blue. So I'll be right back after I get blue. I got that other box. And there's blue there.
I think I know
Let's
this.
get started with the blue one.
Think of something maybe you're gonna do this summer.
Swim.
In line.
Something I cannot do, else I'll drown.
In the line.
What?
Then draw another
I can't
picture.
swim. That's why I like hot
Or
tubs.
draw a ship.
A
ship.
But
But I'm too poor to afford one. Jesus.
Alright, there we go. Hey, stop with Layla. Sarah.
Hey,
Draw a ship.
dang.
I already said it.
Why is it
L-E.
not?
Layla. I just
Olivia.
I
And draw a ship.
think you suck.
Y'all are
Eli.
E.
Erase.
Ooh, we got 2 E. Hen?
Hold on.
4, 9, 4.
Hey.
And then we're going to put red in there
Ainsley?
on the bottom. Put red in the bottom.
Sarah?
So what other one?
Oh, I know what it is.
We're going to keep the white one. For the stacks.
Olivia?
Our funnels.
Oh my god.
C.
Oh my gosh,
Oh
I
my
can't believe it.
God.
I know it. All you 7th graders like it. What are you doing this weekend?
Oh.
Then
There you go.
Oh.
Oh, sweet.
Yes.
I thought it was Greek for a second. That's why.
Oh, Ainsley, your turn.
Sleep.
Sleep.
That is a good thing.
That was a good one. That was a good word.
I love sleep.
No, I'm not. You don't.
control
Think of a good word. Think of a good word.
word.
Gang. God is good. It's God is good.
No,
1, 2, 3, 4.
there's something.
Then
A. They just sign up. They just sign up for us. Yeah.
You ready? Let's start this off.
Choose who would
An
not.
A at the
The letter.
let's show this.
I'm going to go with
If you finish, if you're done, this. Share your ideas of your funny posters for people's pranks, for pranks and reactions, and for pranks. And have a nice day. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.